I stopped because he had a brake light out.
Yeah.
And he pulled in here. I said, get back in your car. He said, Dad, I'm not doing that. So I followed him in there.
Okay.
And then he
just kept pulling away.
Yeah.
Like, okay.
My car was stopped and parked. Car off. I'm going to
Stop,
bro.
You're resisting right now.
I'm not resisting nothing.
This guy is obviously very upset.
Let's go.
No, let's go, bro. Don't touch me, man.
Go.
My car. What is your reason for harassing me, man?
We're stepping outside.
Yeah, I'm stepping after I buy my Red Bull.
Right now.
No. You don't have that right.
Yes, I do.
You have to let yourself be known and let a person know they're being stopped for it to be a stop.
Harrison, I'm not yelling at you.
I'm yelling at y'all because I'm frustrated.
Okay.
I was on my way to work. Take care of my mom.
DC obstruct resist. So he walked away from a traffic stop.
Now, as we get into this video, it should be noted that my opinion of this traffic stop is going to differ just a little from the overwhelming support the cops are receiving under the original post. It was uploaded by Code Blue Cam, has over 2.3 million views in 9 days, and a like to dislike ratio of 61,000 likes to only 1.1 thousand dislikes. Under the video, we see comments like, "This is a classic example of somebody who thinks they know more than everybody else in the room. I don't think this man has given the world more than 5 seconds of silence in his entire damn life." Or, "People are literally risking their lives to avoid accountability. Insane. These cops handled this adult toddler better than I'm able to handle my toddler some days. That was impressive." This person says, "The guy knows the cop was behind him. He heard the cop tell him to get back into his car, parks in a handicapped space with a permit that's not his, doesn't have a bumper or license plate, hadn't paid registration for 7 months, smells like weed, and believes since the cop's red lights weren't on means he doesn't have to comply. People like that are very dangerous, very wrong, and very much the problem with our society." This one says, "The victim card never expires. Use it indefinitely any situation you wish. Sometimes the patient doesn't want to get well." The level of patience that these police officers had with this guy is just profound. This grown man was acting worse than a baby and a little girl combined emotionally, and way worse than an entitled brat. So apparently on the night of March 8th, 2023, a Jackson, Wisconsin cop on patrol says he observed a vehicle with a defective brake light. While a long way away from that vehicle, the man turned into a Walgreens store and parked up front into a handicap space. After parking, this guy named Harrison walked into the store, ignoring the cop's commands. And as you know, cops just can't have that.
Hey, get back in your car, man. Hey, get back in your car. No, get back in your car right now.
No traffic stop. My car was stopped and parked. Car off. I'm going to
Stop,
bro. Ain't no stop.
Come back here.
I'm a grown man.
Come back here.
Like, there ain't no come back.
Come back. You're resisting. You're resisting right now.
I'm not resisting nothing.
Now the original cop calls for backup. Not because the man is committing a crime or threatening the cop's life, but because the man is walking away. So what's the logical reaction? The cop who gets the call, who will back up the original cop, is going to break away from his roadside piracy operation, where he leaves somebody with a dastardly suspended license to go and help the officer who is being walked away from. Does that make sense? Yeah, Bobby, don't worry about it. We're en route to help you not be walked away from.
There's a traffic stop on Walgreens, so just walking away.
912 got paid now. It's your lucky day, okay? I gotta go to a different call. You can't drive. You have a suspended driver's license. You gotta stay here and call someone else, okay?
Come back.
I'm buying a Red Bull to go to work.
Let's
what
go.
are you doing?
Let's
ain't
go.
No let's go. I'm
Let's
grown.
go.
Don't touch me, man.
Go.
I'm grown. Ain't no let's go, bro. You better call your
Let's go.
lieutenant or something. Ain't no let's go. What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you, bro?
Let's go. Step it up.
Bro, you got
Come on.
the right goddamn. Hey,
We're going back outside.
No, we're going where?
We're going back
what
outside
are you doing
right
to
now.
me? What did you do to me?
913
What did you
County,
do?
have my
Could
back
you
up,
please
step
bring
it
out
up.
your camera, ma'am? I'm going my
Let's go.
job, right? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. My car. What is your reason for harassing me, man?
Because I did a
I gotta
traffic
go to
stop.
work at 10 o'clock,
Traffic
bro.
stop on you.
I gotta go to work at 10 o'clock. My car was
13
cut off.
we're back by the cooler.
And you
Let's
can run my plates. I got license and everything. What are you doing?
You have a defective brake
What
light.
are you
That's
doing?
Why that's why I stopped
bro,
you.
you did not stop me, bro. You did not stop me. And your camera show that, bro.
Let's go.
What are you doing? Let's go what?
We're stepping outside.
Yeah, I'm stepping after I buy my Red Bull.
Right now.
No.
now.
You don't have that right.
Yes, I do.
You don't have that right.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You crazy.
Where's my backup?
You crazy. Where's your backup? You better not touch me.
Now, it's a little hard to miss that this guy is upset. Is he more amped up than he should be? I think he is. But maybe people are getting a little pissed about being harassed by parasites while they're just trying to go to work and provide for their family. You know, actual work where you're actually producing things for society. Now, is it a good idea to act like this? Probably not. As a matter of fact, it's always dangerous anytime you're being confronted by a uniformed authoritarian. But keep in mind, this is all over a brake light. Now, this is just a crazy idea, and I'm just throwing this out, but what if the cop just said, hey, I just noticed that your brake light is out, and that can be a little dangerous, so you might want to get that thing fixed. But that's not how cops roll.
I know you better not touch me. Ma'am, please don't leave. You better not touch me for a traffic stop. You better not put your hands on me or I'm suing your ass.
Let's go.
Touch me.
We're walking outside.
I ain't going nowhere.
We're walking outside.
I ain't under arrest. I ain't got to go nowhere. Is it closed? Is it closed here?
We're stepping outside.
I'm finna buy my Red Bull.
We're stepping outside.
What's wrong with you? I got rights, man. You can't do that. Get the up out of here.
Step outside.
You see? Please watch this, because if I die, I want my kids to see what happened.
Step outside.
Please record this. I ain't stepping nowhere. Please record it, man. Please record it, man. Record it.
So they take him down, and more cops show up because, you know, they can't have enough people during the commission of the horrible crime of walking away.
Perfect, man. There we go.
Can I get my phone?
We'll grab that. That's your phone.
Grab it for you, man.
All right. Who's the on-duty manager? You are perfect.
Is there anyone else in your car?
Ain't nobody in my car. You ain't nobody in my car, man.
I mean, I just got here, man.
I'm trying to go to work. Like y'all working and y'all harassing me. Run my plates, bro.
Okay, so obviously I wasn't here when everything started. Do you know what happened?
No, he just walked in, and I was in the back doing
Okay.
the job, and I heard him screaming.
Okay.
I thought it was something with one of my employees, so I came over here.
I got you.
That's some bullshit, bro.
Is this your car right here?
Yeah, that's my car. Yo, racist ass, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Please don't let dude touch me.
Hey, I got
For
him.
real, don't let him touch me.
Hey, I got him. You want to go? Okay, dude. We're going to go inside the back of this squad car, okay?
I didn't search his pockets, just his waistband.
Okay. We're going to pull you back out and search you, okay? You got anything on you that's going to cut, stick, or poke me?
I ain't got nothing on me.
Okay, nothing like that?
Nothing on me.
Okay. Okay, we're going to go back in the back of this squad car now, okay?
What's the reason I'm being detained? Because it was never a traffic stop. Why am I being detained again? Because I know I'm not under arrest.
Well, you're under arrest.
Yes.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
I'm good. I didn't check Nick yet. Is Nick good? Are you hurt, Nick, or are you good?
I'm good.
Okay. Is he good? Does he need anyone offer him medical at all or anything?
I'd assume so. You were fighting with officers when I showed up, so it'd be...
Had no reason to take the follow me in here.
Well, you don't have plates in your car there, man.
Well, y'all see the bumper off, right?
Yeah, that's...
Y'all see my place, everything good on my car.
Yeah, but you can't drive without one.
All right, okay. Say whatever y'all want to say. I know I ain't supposed to be getting arrested for this.
So no injuries right now, but you might have some later?
I don't know, bro.
Okay. Well, you let me know.
I don't even want to talk.
I stopped because he had a brake light out.
Yeah.
And he pulled in here. I said, get back in your car. He said, that I'm not doing that. So I followed him in there.
Okay.
And then he
He just kept pulling away.
Yeah.
Like, okay. I was scared. I heard you like call it out, and then I always walked away. I'm like, oh.
Sorry, I couldn't tell if you were in the store or where you were at first, so that's why I was trying to figure it out. I knew you were here, so it wasn't helpful when dispatch said Walgreens.
Well, he smells like weed.
Right, what do you have?
I stopped him for a brake light out. He got out. He pulled in here.
He was trying to ditch you then, or?
Well, I know. I saw the brake light when he braked to pull in here. So I came in here, lit him up. He pulled in his parking lot.
What'd you say?
Did you hear what she said? The Malibu belongs to Harrison.
Yeah.
Only thing on is registration suspended because I just got it fixed.
Got out of his car, started walking. I said, "Get back in your car. Traffic stop." No, Dad. I'm gonna get a Red Bull. I'm going to fucking work. You can't fucking stop me.
Okay. Transmission just got fixed.
Okay.
Bumper just fell off.
Hey, man.
So y'all see them, man, bro? He had no reason to tackle me in no damn Walgreens. Bro.
Okay.
And then I followed him in there, and basically he was being loud and boisterous, as you probably heard. But I just waited for backup before going hands down.
Wasn't no stop, bro.
Well, I'm telling you from right now, that's my opinion.
Stop, bro.
Okay, that's your opinion, man.
Okay, well, I thought he was getting ready to swing at you.
I thought he was getting ready to.
I just pretty much tackled him right away. So okay.
Hey, man. So you're just I'm just want to hear your side of it here, okay? So when he stopped you, you don't think that was a good stop? You got nothing besides.
Just wait.
I know. Hey, we're going to get to that, okay? So you say that you're doing nothing wrong. Your driver's license is valid. You got nothing in the car, correct?
Bro, I'm on my way to work. My job is down the street.
You don't have anything in the car?
Bro, y'all know I don't have nothing in that car.
Okay, is that all right if I search it? Just make sure you got
nothing. What you mean? Y'all can do whatever y'all want to do to the car. Y'all got the car, bro.
Is it all right if I search it? I'm just asking you.
I don't care what y'all do, bro.
Okay, so it's all right if I search it?
Make sure. Permission to do anything, but I don't care what you do. No, y'all don't have my permission to do anything.
Okay. No, it started off as kind of, but no.
913 County, is there a K9 on duty and available?
How's that a traffic stop?
Sir, I made a traffic stop because...
How is my car cut off? What you stopping?
Do you want me to explain, or are you going to keep
it
go
ahead.
Okay. When you pressed your brakes to turn into Walgreens here, I noticed that your driver's side brake light wasn't working. That's why I conducted a traffic stop.
Bro, you didn't turn on no lights before. You weren't even behind me when I turned in here, bro. You're capping. When I got out the car, you was pulling up, telling me get back in my car. That's not no stop.
Now the cops use the excuse of smelling marijuana to bring the canine out to scratch up Harrison's property. The canine alerted, and they claim to have found some MJ in a Swisher Sweets package under the passenger seat.
There's weed in the Swisher Sweet.
Yeah.
Can you take these cuffs off? They hurt my shoulder.
Yeah, I can check them, but no, it's unfortunate when you're arrested, you have to be in handcuffs.
I'm saying, why am I arrested and I didn't run from him? I told him I'm going in Walgreens to get a Red Bull before it closed. Okay. Well, how
can I get arrested
when you're in a traffic stop? Okay, 1 second. When you're in a traffic stop and you walk away from the car and an officer tells you to stop, you have to stop. You can't keep. I'm talking right now, okay? Don't talk over me, because this will answer a lot of your questions. No. Yes, it is. As much as you think it's not, it is. As much as you think that this is ghouls and this is a parking lot, it's okay. This is a traffic stop, okay?
He wasn't behind me when I turned off.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Because he observed you doing some type of violation. I mean, I can see you don't have a plate. You had something about a light as well, okay?
We might as well not even talk.
Yeah, that's what I kind of was getting at.
You don't want the cuffs checked?
Oh yeah.
I got sense.
Hey, let me check your cuffs.
Hey, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I have sense.
I'll talk to him.
You don't have sense.
Sir.
Yeah, get your dumb ass out of here.
Hey, there's no sense to be talking like that.
No, bro. You don't think I'm dumb, bro.
I don't think you're
I'm not dumb.
But I think that you...
I went to law school.
Okay, well, if you went to law school, you know that you can be detained during a stop, and the officer can tell you...
Bro, that's not a stop. My car was turned off.
That doesn't matter.
Bro, yes it does. That does matter.
Okay.
How can you stop me if you wasn't behind my car cut off?
I didn't see him until I got out my car.
Matter.
It does matter. You have to let yourself be known and let a person know they're being stopped for it to be a stop.
Harrison, I'm not yelling at you.
I'm yelling at y'all because I'm frustrated.
Okay.
I was on my way to work. Okay, take care of my mom.
Now they take him to the hospital where he really ramps up being childish. And you can tell the guy is trying to do everything he can to really play up the victimization card. And in my opinion, he was victimized for no reason. The man wasn't harming anybody. He wasn't stealing anybody's property. And yeah, a case can be made that it's potentially dangerous to drive around with a brake light out. So why not just give the guy a verbal warning and go find some real criminals? But of course, the cop just couldn't walk away.
DC obstruct resist. So he walked away from a traffic stop. Because once your car is off, you don't have to stop. When I went into Walgreens, he started walking towards me, so I got an arm up around his shoulder, decentralized him, and then we forced his hands behind his back. That's it. There were no knee strikes, nothing.
X-rays were then performed, which did not display any broken bones. Harrison was
eventually charged with misdemeanor resisting and obstructing and disorderly conduct, and he got 3 citations for non-registration, possession of plant matter, and parking in a handicapped parking space. You know, something cops do all the time. And while I'm not in this guy's corner with regard to his actions, which are pretty embarrassing, if you ask me, this is another example where cops created yet another victim of the true supreme law of the land, traffic code. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comment section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description, or you can grab a hard-hitting conversation starting design from the store. You can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, whatever you want. Remember, freedom is dangerous. It's scary. Sometimes it can be unsafe. But the thing more dangerous, scary, and unsafe is not having freedom. I'll see you in the next video.